Hello students, now we have to see question number 11. In the figure, triangle ABC, this is triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree, BD perpendicular to AC, AD is equal to 4.5, AB is equal to 7.5, then find area of triangle BDC. We have to find the ratio area of triangle BDC is to area of triangle ABC. या दोन ट्रायंगलचा रेशो काढायचा आपल्याला. कसं सोडवता येईल पहा. Now first in triangle ADB this angle is of 90 degree. Therefore by using Pythagoras theorem आपण BD ची व्हॅल्यू काढू शकतो. नंतर BD काढल्यानंतर by theorem of geometric mean BD square is equal to AD into DC, त्यावरून DC ची किंमत काढता येईल. मग BD ह्या DC ची किंमत माहिती आहे. Now in this two triangle आपल्याला area of triangle BDC is to area of triangle ABC. हे दोन ट्रायंगल कसे येतात, BDC आणि ABC, these two triangles are similar triangles. This angle is common, these are 90 degree. Therefore आणि दोन ट्रायंगल सिमिलर असतील तर त्यांच्या एरियाचा रेशो त्यांच्या साइडच्या स्क्वेअरच्या प्रमाणात असतो. तेव्हा आपल्याला सोडवता येईल. Now here in the figure in triangle ADB angle D is equal to 90 degree. Therefore आपण डायरेक्टली होता by using Pythagoras theorem काही BD AD square plus BD square is equal to AB square. This is hypotenuse, the opposite side of 90 degree. That is AB square AD square plus BD square is equal to AB square. We have to find value of BD. Therefore BD square is equal to AB square minus AD square. Put values. AB is 7.5 whole square minus AD is 4.5 whole square. Therefore is equal to, now here by using formula A square minus B square, in first bracket A plus B, किंवा आपण डायरेक्टली लिहितो फर्स्ट ब्रॅकेट मध्ये A plus B ह्या दोन्हीची ऍडिशन केली तर किती, 7 plus 4 11 plus 1 that is 12 into subtraction of this 7.5 minus 4.5 is 3. Therefore is equal to 36. Therefore value of BD is equal to 6. BD ची value 6 आली. Now BD square is equal to AD into DC. BD square is equal to AD into DC. Put values. Value of BD is, or BD square is 36 is equal to AD 4.5 into DC. Therefore DC is equal to 36 upon 4.5. Now we have to remove this decimal point. काय करावं लागेल, 360 एक ना पुढे सरकावं लागेल, divide by 45. Now dividing by 15, 3, 2, 4. Dividing by 3, 8. Therefore value of DC is equal to 8. Value of DC is equal to 8. Now we know triangle BDC and triangle. Now we can show that triangle BDC similar to triangle ABC. BDC हा अँगल 90 डिग्रीचा आहे, ABC हा 90 डिग्रीचा आहे, C कॉमन आहे. म्हणजे दोन अँगल कसे येतात, दोन अँगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट आहेत, therefore these two triangles are similar. Therefore area of triangle काय करायचं आपल्याला BDC. Therefore area of triangle BDC divided by area of triangle ABC is equal to side square. Now BDC side is DC divided by AD is 4.5 divided by DC square divided. Now these two triangles, triangle BDC and triangle ABC, are similar triangles. Therefore area of triangle BDC upon area of triangle ABC is equal to DC square divided by BC square. BC square is equal to, now value of DC is 8. 8 square divided by value of BC. BC ची व्हॅल्यू by using Pythagoras theorem ब्रॅकेट मध्ये आपण लिहू BC square is equal to 8 square plus 6 square. 8 square 64 plus 6 square 36 किती 100. Therefore BC square याची व्हॅल्यू डायरेक्ट लिहू आपण 100 is equal to DC square is 864 divided by 100. Dividing by 4, 25, 16. Therefore the ratio is 16 upon 25. The ratio is 16 is to 25. Correct choice is E. Now question number 12, that is 92. 92 question paper मध्ये wrong question होता, त्यामुळे आपण तो घेणार नाही. तर 93 म्हणजे 13, क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 घेणार. A roller of diameter 1.4 meter and length 1.4 meter is used to press the ground, having area 3080 square meter. Find the number of revolutions that the roller will make to press the ground. Suppose this is roller. Diameter of roller is 1 point, that is radius r is equal to 1.4. This is diameter, therefore radius is 0.7 meter, and length of this roller length is 1.4 meter. आपल्याला ह्या रोलरनं किती भाग प्रेस होईल आपल्याला काढायचं आहे. म्हणजे काय करावं लागेल यासाठी, कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ रोलर. नाउ फॉर्म्युला फॉर कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ रोलर is equal to, what is formula, 2 pi r into height, yes, that is circumference into height, 2 pi rh is equal to, now 2 into pi is 22 upon 7 into r is 0.7 into h 1.4. value ठेवले. This is curved surface area of this roller. आपल्याला काय करायचं, having area 3080 square meter, एवढा एरिया प्रेस करण्यासाठी किती करावं लागतील, it will make to press the ground. How many revolutions? Suppose n revolutions, म्हणजे n किती, एरिया किती 3080 is equal to n revolution करावं लागतील. कितीचे, 2 into 22 upon 7 into 0.7 into 1.4. हे एका रिव्हॉल्युशनचं आहे, असे n रिव्हॉल्युशन करावं लागतील, म्हणजे एरिया किती प्रेस होईल 3080. Now dividing by 7, 0.7. Now therefore n is equal to 3080 divided by 2 into 22, that is 44, or write down this as 2 into 22 into 0.7 into 0.7, or 0.7 into 0.7. Now dividing by 11, or dividing by 11, 280. Dividing by 2, 140. Dividing by 2, 70 is equal to, dividing by 7, डेसिमल पॉइंट काढून टाकायचा आहे, ते एक झिरो द्यावा लागेल, इथला सुद्धा रिमूव्ह करायचा आहे तर दुसरा झिरो द्यावा लागेल. 7000 डिवाइड बाय 7 into 7, dividing by 7, 1000. 2 pi REH 2 pi 22 upon 7 into 0.7 into 1.4. 7 ने डिवाइड केलं 0.7. 0.7 into 0.7. 11 ने डिवाइड केलं 280. 2 ने डिवाइड केलं 40. 2 ने डिवाइड केलं 70. Dividing by 7, 1000. Now dividing by, now here dividing by 7, 0.2. 7 2 14, 0.2. Write down here 0.2. Therefore here is 2. Now dividing by 2, 500. Therefore value of n is equal to 500. Correct choice is B. Question number 14. If a line passes through the intersection of point of the graph of the lines x plus 2y is equal to 7 and x minus y is equal to 4, and the origin and ह्या दोन लाईनचा intersection, then find the equation of the line. Equation of line काढायचं आहे. Now for this, first we have to find values of x and y. Therefore x plus 2y is equal to 7, x minus y is equal to 4. Now here taking subtraction, plus x minus x get cancelled, 3y is equal to 3, therefore y is equal to 1. Put this value of y in equation, suppose 1, 2, therefore equation 2 becomes equation 2. X minus y is 1 is equal to 4. Therefore x is equal to 4 plus 1 is, therefore x is equal to 5. First point कोणते झाले? 5 1. Therefore 5 1, and another point is origin, that is 0 0. आता आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे? We have to find the equation of line. Therefore equation of line is x minus x1 फर्स्टल्या y minus y1 is 1 divided by x minus x1 x minus 5 is equal to y minus 1 divided by x minus 5 is equal to y2 minus y1, that is 0 minus 1 divided by x2 minus x1, that is 0 minus 5. फॉर्मूला लक्षात घ्या. y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now y minus 1 divided by x minus 5 is equal to minus 1 upon minus 5. Minus minus get cancelled, is equal to 1 upon 5. Therefore, taking cross multiplication, that is x minus 5y, 5 into bracket y minus 1 is equal to 1 into bracket x minus 5. आपल्याला इक्वेशन कोणत्या फॉर्म मध्ये लिहायचं आहे? y च्या फॉर्म मध्ये लिहायचं आहे. Therefore, y minus 1 is equal to 1 upon 5 into x minus 5. Transfer this 1 to the right hand side. Therefore, y is equal to 1 upon 5 into x minus 5 minus becomes plus 1. Therefore, multiplying by 5 is equal to 1 upon 5x minus 5 upon 5 get cancelled, minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. 1 upon 5 dividing by 5, 0.2. Therefore, is equal to 0.2x. Therefore, y is equal to 0.2x. Correct choice is C. Now question number 15. Question number 15. In triangle ABC, angle BAC is equal to 40 degree. P is the center of the circle. P is the center of the circumcircle. Center of the circumcircle of triangle ABC. Find angle PBC. 40 degree, B 50 degree, C 80 degree, D 100 degree. Now, by given condition, first we have to draw the figure. In triangle ABC, angle BAC is equal to 40 degree. P is the center of the circumcircle of triangle ABC. P is the, suppose this is triangle ABC. Now, angle BAC is equal to 40 degree. This angle is 40 degree. P is the center of circumcircle. Circumcircle म्हणजे काय करणार त्याचे perpendicular bisectors. Intersection of this perpendicular bisector P. Therefore, P is the center of circumcircle of triangle ABC. find angle PBC. We have to find angle PBC. PBC angle ची आपल्याला व्हॅल्यू काढायची. आता पहा, P is the center of circumcircle. Circumcircle म्हणजे काय? या तिन्ही पॉइंट मधून जाणार हे असं सर्कल असं. P is the center of circumcircle. आता आपल्याला माहित आहे या अँगलचं माप या कंसाच्या मापाच्या निम्म असतं. हा 40 डिग्री. Therefore, value of this arc is 80 degree. And this arc is 80 degree. Therefore, this angle is 80 degree. This is called central angle. हा 40 डिग्री त्याच्या दुप्पट हा कंस आणि हे माप म्हणजे सेंट्रल अँगल. Therefore, this angle is 80 degree. Now, this angle is 80 degree. Therefore, in triangle PBC, angle P is equal to 80 degree. Therefore, angle B plus angle C किती 100 degree. या तिन्हीची बेरीज किती पाहिजे 180 degree. Therefore, angle B plus angle C is equal to 100 degree. Therefore, angle PBC is equal to angle याला असेल तर B plus angle both are equal. हे रेडियस असल्यामुळे both are equal. Therefore, angle B plus angle B is equal to 100. Therefore, twice angle B is equal to 100 dividing by 250, and angle B is angle PBC. Therefore, angle PBC is equal to 50 degree. This is the answer. Correct choice is B. Question number 16. In the ratio of the radii of the circular ends of a conical bucket whose height is 60 cm is 2:1 and addition of the areas is 770 square centimeter, find the capacity of the bucket in the liters. आपल्याला दिलेले bucket, suppose this is bucket. In the ratio of the radii of the circular ends of a circular bucket whose height is 60 cm. Bucket ची height किती 60 cm. Height is 60 cm. Radii 2:1. Suppose R is 2. Suppose this is R1, this is R2. R1 is suppose 2x, R2 is x. Ratio is 2:1, therefore R1 is 2x, R2 is x. And addition of the areas, ह्या दोन्हीचा circular part, ह्या दोन्हीचा area किती दिलाय 770. Therefore, addition of these two areas, is equal to pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. Addition of areas 770 is equal to taking pi common into bracket r1 square plus r2 square is equal to pi is 22/7 into bracket r1 is 2x square plus r2 is x square. Therefore, 770 into 7 divide by 22 is equal to 2x square plus x square, that is 3x square. Now dividing by 11, 270. Dividing by 2, 35. Therefore, x square is equal to 35 into 7. Therefore, 35 into 7, x square is equal to 5 divided by 3. Now here 2x square is 4x square plus x square, that is 5x square. Therefore 5x square is equal to 35 into 7. 35 into 7, we can write this as 35 into 7 divided by 5. Dividing by 5 7. 7 into 7 49. Therefore value of x is equal to 7. Value of x is 7. Therefore radius r1 is equal to 2 into 7 is equal to 14 centimeter, and r2 is equal to x is equal to, that is r2 is x is equal to 7 centimeter. या दोन्ही रेडियस माहित झाल्या. आता आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे? Then find the capacity of the bucket in liters. बकेटची कॅपॅसिटी काढायची. तर लिटर मध्ये कॅपॅसिटी काढायची. Now this bucket is of the type frustrum. Now we know formula. What is formula for volume of frustrum? याची कॅपॅसिटी म्हणजे याची व्हॉल्यूम काढायची. नो capacity of bucket is equal to volume of frustrum is equal to, formula is 1/3 pi h into bracket r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 into r2. Now put values. Therefore is equal to 1/3 into pi is 22/7 into h is height is given 60 into bracket r1 square. r1 ची व्हॅल्यू किती? r1 is 14 square plus 7 square plus 14 into 7 is equal to, dividing by 3 20. Now 22 into 20, that is 22 into 44, 0 divided by 7 into bracket 14 square 196 plus 49 plus 98 is equal to 440 divided by 7 into 8 plus 9 17 plus 6 23 carry 2, 9 plus 2 11 plus 4 15 plus 9 24 carry 2 plus 1 3, dividing by 7 4 9. Now take multiplication of these two. 440 into 49. 440 into 49. 0 6 0 065 that is 21,560. This is centimeter cube. We have to write this in liter. Liter मध्ये करायचं असतं तर काय करावं लागेल? Therefore is equal to 21,560 divided by 1,000 liter is equal to 21.56 liter. 21.56 liter. Correct choice is C.